the Pitaka MagCase, along with their Pitaka MagMount Qi suction cup car mount, and their car mount adapter for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Now I want to give a shout out to Pitaka for sending these over for review, so let's dive right in. So here's my S9 Plus. So we'll go ahead and start out with the MagCase with a picture of the product front and center, Pitaka branding down here. On the side, just more information, and on the back, some instructions so you can pause the video if you want, follow them. There's their social media. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just get into this. More information here. You can pause the video if you want. Seamless carrying experience. Now we can open it. Here we go. On the left, enjoy your Pitaka product, QR code, and this is the case itself. Woo! Look at this. Carbon fiber. Nice! For the S9 Plus. Man, this looks badass. Compatible with Pitaka magnetic mount, Pitaka branding on the inside. There you go. Put this to the side, and thank you, you're welcome. QR code right there. And on the back, some information. Now the packaging itself, nice felt material here on the inside to protect your case while it's being shipped, etc. And looking at this again, man, this is nice, dude. So I'm gonna go ahead and test fit my S9 on it. Snaps right in. And as you can see, super duper thin case, no front lip whatsoever. But you flip this over, you have that carbon fiber. Let the light hit it a little bit, and yeah, I dig it. I dig it. On the bottom, cutouts are perfect, as you can see. On the sides, buttons are wide open, so easy access to those. Same thing on this side. And on the back, nice generous cutout for your cameras, fingerprint scanner, flash, heart rate sensor. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the other items that come with this kit, starting with the MagMount Qi. So just gonna open this up. What do we get on the inside? And by the way, this is the box. Almost forgot to show you. Take a look, pause the video, read all that if you want. And instructions here, etc. And yeah, there it is. Cool. And here is the mount itself. Suction cup. Phone goes on here. And USB input for wireless charging. And I like how you can see the carbon fiber pattern on the mount itself. And this is the suction cup. This sticks to your dash. And one thing to note is that the USB connection here, this is USB Type-C, so you are up to date. Go ahead and plug this in. And it lights up Pitaka, which is really, really cool looking. And I'm gonna go ahead and mount the S9 Plus on the mount. And as you saw, it is charging the device. I'm gonna go over here. It says wireless charging, and this is magnetic. So I'm gonna go like this, and as you can see, it's not gonna go anywhere. Now this is gonna look really cool in the car. So we're in the car right now. So you can see I have the Pitaka MagMount mounted on the flat part of my dash right here. You can also mount it on the windshield if you want. You can go inverted, but I decided to just place it right here. And I have it plugged in via the USB Type-C cable. And there's my port right there. There's the phone. Now I do have the device in the Pitaka carbon fiber case. So let's go ahead and just put this on. As you can see, it's magnetic and it's charging the device. I'm gonna go like that. As you can see, fast wireless charging. So pretty cool setup here from Pitaka. Looks really good in the car with the carbon fiber, etc. Lights up Pitaka right there, so it'll look really cool at night. You can see the carbon fiber there on the mount, carbon fiber on the back of the phone. Let's go like that. it will charge, as you can see. So cool setup from Pitaka here. I am digging this for the car. So if you're interested in any of these items, I'm gonna go ahead and put links in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.